a simple base, and a beautiful gift box. We are going to use a burlap garland that I am going to attach to my base using floral U-pins. Now, as you can see, I used a piece of wood that is 4 inches by 12, no, maybe 16, and a piece of floral foam. And I just simply went around and attached my burlap garland, and I placed the gift box in the center. The gift box and the burlap garland are both from Hobby Lobby. And again, as a base, you can use anything you want. I did cut some of the pieces of the burlap garland, making sure that I tied the string before I cut it. And I was not so concerned about covering every piece of my foam because I am going to insert some of the greenery around. And you can see I'm using these very simple, pretty picks that have different types of greenery on it. And I'm using my pick machine to insert them in. And of course, we're going in with some berries. And of course, I am dipping everything in my glue pot before I insert it into my piece. And just a little touch of the pretty berries. And this can turn out to be a winter decor. And maybe instead of the gift box, you can use candles or any kind of decor that you like, but it definitely makes a beautiful winter statement. And we went all around, making sure that all of our pieces were balanced and nicely spread out. And you can see I'm pre-drilling a hole for my berries with a floral pick. And then I'm going in and I'm going to use these beautiful ornaments that, again, I purchased from Hobby Lobby. They have chenille and burlap. Very pretty. And I'm using a floral stem, inserting them into the ornament, and then placing my ornament onto the foam. And again, what you do on one side, you also do on the other side. Just a beautiful arrangement with pine and berries, ornaments, gift boxes. Simple, yet a beautiful statement. And look at that. Even on all the sides, so making sure that everything is nicely spread. And of course, I decided to add a little some extra because that's the way we like it, right? A little extra greenery, and look how pretty that came out. And make sure you dip everything into your glue pot. If you don't have a glue pot, you can just use a glue gun and spread the glue on the stem that's going to be inserted. And if you don't have a pick machine, which is a machine that puts a still pick onto your stems, then you can just pre-drill the hole like I did. And of course, we added a little extra touch on top of our gifts, just to give it that little touch of red. The gift boxes from Hobby Lobby come in 2 sizes. This is the larger, and it's like wrapped with fur and burlap and all this beautiful. And there you have it. Hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys come back soon to get more home decor ideas.